Not sure how to use your Hisense AC remote? Model number DG11J1-16. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Hisense AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. The super button activates turbo mode for rapid cooling or heating. Press it to run the AC at maximum fan speed and power, bringing the room to your set temperature as quickly as possible. Press the sensor button to activate the I Feel function, which uses the remote's built-in sensor to detect the surrounding temperature. This allows the AC to adjust cooling or heating based on the remote's location for more accurate comfort. Press the button once to activate dimmer mode. This turns off the LED display on the indoor unit, making it ideal for dark rooms or nighttime comfort. Press the IDM button to activate independent dehumidification mode, which removes excess humidity from the room without significant cooling. Press the temp display button to change the temperature display mode. You can switch between showing the set temperature, the room temperature, or the outdoor temperature. The timer button allows you to set your AC to turn on or off automatically at a specified time. Change the time using the temperature up or down buttons, and the unit will follow the schedule for comfort and energy efficiency. Press the silent button to activate quiet mode, which lowers fan speed and compressor noise. This creates a calmer and more peaceful environment, especially useful at night. The health mode button activates special features like air purification or ionizer functions in the AC. It helps remove dust, bacteria, and allergens from the air, ensuring cleaner and healthier indoor air quality. Press the soft button to activate gentle cooling or heating mode. It delivers mild airflow for a more comfortable and less intense air output. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Hisense AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.